Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner. Yes, we're in week 26. That is not current because I'm filming this on this day here, on the 30th. So, yep, we're a week behind. No big deal. Okay, so let's just get started, all right? I will have the links below to Margarete Miller's channel or her website, I'm sorry, so that you can go over there and get the prompts if you so desire, if you want to play along. It's a really fun way of just kickstarting your creativity, and yeah, okay, this is how it's done, or this is how I do it. So Marguerite gives you prompts. She gives you 6 prompts altogether. 5 of them are listed, and then there's a bonus prompt. And the way that that works is that if you don't have something up at the top, you can exchange it, or you can use all of them or none of that, whatever you want. Okay, so these are the prompts for this week, for week 26. A path or road, something with a spine, a candy wrapper, textured paper, something square, and the bonus is anything with a bit of yellow. So I've already gone to my stash and I pulled some stuff, okay? This is a piece of wallpaper that I got from a Sweet Happy Mail, and I'm using this as my textured paper. Now it's not textured, but it looks textured, so that's the way I'm going. All right, so we're gonna use the old tape runner here because we can, and it's easier. Excuse me, I'm sorry. How many of you are following along with these prompts and or have them on Instagram or on your own YouTube channel? Feel free to let me know in the comments because I'd love to check it out. Okay, that kind of went on straight, whatevs. All right, there's that. So there's our textured paper. A path or a road, okay? I found this. Look at how beautiful that is, okay? I found that in a magazine. And so I'm gonna use that. It's like a little rock path. Or what is it called? Like a dry creek? I don't know what it's called, but anyway, it's beautiful to me. And you know what? I think we're gonna stick with the old tape runner as long as it holds out. I don't know. I think I'm running out. But why not? Why not? Yeah, let me know if any of you guys are following along with these. I find them to be, oh wait, where do I want this? A lot of fun, for one. And they're quick for me anyway. I really don't put a lot of thought into the collages, right? I follow along with the little recipe here and I do what I can do, which is fun. Okay, here, this is my anything with a bit of yellow. So we're gonna use that and we're gonna use a glue stick on that. But yeah, I like the, I like the prompts. Now, I mean, I have to say there are times when some of the prompts are harder than others, or trying to put them together in some, semblance of order that works for my brain. Some weeks are harder than others, but they're all fun nonetheless. And I do find that they all come out, in the end. You know what I'm saying? Everything comes out in the wash, I mean, I might have, I might have a more difficult time on some scissors, depending on the prompts. Like this one, I mean, look how simple that was. And it was a long old video that, anyway, some are easier than others. That's all I'm saying. So, I do go around my room before I start filming. Here's another little bit of yellow. I just think it's pretty. So we're gonna put this on there. Yeah, I do go around my room ahead of time. I do have a little box of Margarete Miller, like things that I could possibly use. So like if I'm going through my images, or if I'm going through my journaling fodder or whatever it is, and I see, oh, there's a ticket, I pull it and I put it in the Margarete Miller box. Now, interestingly enough, none of this stuff came from the Margarete box. Yeah. Sometimes that's the way it happens, you know? But yes, I do go around and collect things according, obviously, to the prompts, you know. Now, this right here, which, you know, you can interpret the prompts any way you want, okay? I'll bring this up so a little closer so you can see it. But this is going for something with a spine and something square, okay? And if you'll notice, without a glare, it's a book with flying pages. I just found that in my stash and I thought, that's perfect, okay? And then I don't always put words. The words are not part of the prompts, but on this one I decided to, because I just happened to come across this little statement here, dream come true. It has red lettering, which goes with this little like button thing, the inside of that. And I don't know, it would be almost not like a dream come true, but it's very dreamy to think of me sitting right here next to this dry bed in this beautiful garden area with flowers around and reading a book, okay? And guess what, guys? We are done, okay? So let's get our pen, which is right here. And a path or a road. Yes, this is the dry creek right there, the rock path. I think it's beautiful. Something with a spine, the book. Okay, we got that. A candy wrapper. Did not do a candy wrapper. I don't have one. Textured paper. Is this right in the background there? So we did that, perfect. Something square. This picture right here, that's my something square. And anything with a bit of yellow, that is the flowers and this little button thing. And so there you have it. Let's cap everything up. I enjoyed that. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the background. I love the garden. I love how the yellow kind of pops out, especially against this black and white background. And of course I love books. So, and somebody had asked me, interestingly enough too, look, I didn't put everything in the lower left-hand corner. I did add something up here on the top right-hand corner. And one of you lovelies asked me, like this, maybe the psychology of it, I guess, is if the book had been turned around and the planning part was on this side and the collage part was on this side, would I then tend to work in the lower right-hand corner? And yes, I do believe I would. So yeah, a lot of my collages I have like clustered in the lower left-hand corner. But yeah, had the book been flipped, they probably would have been clustered in the right-hand corner, which is interesting to me. So yeah, and I love the touches of yellow, how those tie together. I love how the red lettering ties in with this and also with the bench here because it's like a reddish color. I would love to have this in my backyard. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. Okay, well, I enjoyed doing that. That was a rather quick one. And yeah, I'll thank you for your time and thank you for sharing it with me. Don't forget, I do have a playlist of these, which I will link below in the description box, of all of the Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner pages that I have done up till this time. And I also have some flip throughs in groups of 8. So yeah, and they're all in the playlist, I do believe. So make sure to check that out. And these videos usually come out every Friday. And the easiest way for you to catch them is to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and you'll get notified when another video of mine comes out. So I hope you will consider doing that. Again, thank you so much for your time and hanging out with me, and have a great rest of your week. And oh, well, it's the weekend, so have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.